Hey guys, this is Michael Laurie with Hamburg Honey. So a few weeks ago it was really warm out and I decided to give the bees some Hive Alive fondant. Let's see. I took a fondant patty and I rolled it out so it fit perfectly on this, which is a screened feeder. And we use this to feed syrup if we need to, or medication, or even fondant patties. So I decided to take that off the other day. Not realizing it, and Mike had pointed it out, and I thought it'd be okay, as I tore that screen, and I had just put another screen on top of it hoping that would hold. Well, we were sitting in the living room, unwinding, watching TV, and here come some bees. Right for the light in the living room. So we had lots of bees loose in our house, and hopefully we got them all. They are pretty ticked off right now because they thought they had a way in our house and we're going to make a hive out of our house. But that's the risk you take when you bring a hive into your house on your bed, and you put food on there that you peel off and rip a screen that you kind of need. So I'm hoping I can find a way to repair the screen. We shouldn't need to feed them for a long time. They've got lots of honey and stuff. You can see there's capped honey right there. Lots of it, and probably throughout the whole hive. This hive is packed. It is so healthy. It is so great. And I love having them on the bed. I am so lucky Mike let me do this. And I'm so glad he puts up with it with me. Actually, I think he likes it just as much as I do. But it is really cool. They buzz all the time. They've been buzzing all night. The problem is it's -2 degrees outside at night right now, and they can't go outside during the day either. So they thought they had a way just to get out and fly around, and they don't. We cannot allow them in our house. Okay, so normally we don't keep them this way. Normally they have this insulation on them, so they're sealed up tight, and then they also get a curtain over them as well. So we don't exactly see them all the time, only when we remove that and look at them and tell them good night every night. And yeah, so that was the incident that happened here in Hamburg. Bees on the loose in Hamburg. We got them all taken care of, and hopefully when we go to sleep tonight, we don't have any crawling on us or stinging us. So I know you can't get out and enjoy your bees, guys, but it's a good time to start planning for 2026. I wish all the best of luck to all of you, and I hope you'll have a Merry Christmas.